Welcome back, everyone, to another Mesh pre-weekly technicals, the show where we look at green and red dildos, draw pretty lines, and somehow make money at the end of the day. This is not financial advice. You may follow along and possibly make some money along the way, but don't blame us if you don't make any money. And our dildos are pink and blue. Anyway, into BTC, we go start off looking at the monthly, and we've had 2 weeks off from not doing any technicals, and the patterns are still in play. Still very organic structure on the monthly. We've got a monthly closure tomorrow, Monday, the 31st of July. That would be a key level to pay attention to do. What I would say here is that based on that monthly closure tomorrow, the key level here is this one here, the 29.5K level, purple line. Now, close above it, we'll see more upside. More than likely is we have a bearish movement and we close below it. And my whole bias, and I have got some positions if you follow along in the Telegram group, links in the description below. There are 2 trades that I entered. I took profit on one trade last week and I flipped that trade from a long to a short after taking profit. So I am expecting us to have further downside from this 29.5K level down to here on the 27.8K level. So it's a huge short potential here in terms of risk to reward. And this would confirm sorry, you can see those positions that I've got there. We'll look into those a little bit later. It will confirm this breakup, from this level here. So when we broke up from the 27.9K level, we've yet to have that kind of confirmation. That's the bias behind my short position. So I'm looking for a retest here, a nice, clean, organic bounce before us then proceeding to more upside. Pulling down to a weekly time frame, it's almost like a copy paste. We can see this pattern occurring on the weekly. And this is something that's observed through most bull cycles, is this very clean, organic bull structure. And we are getting closer to the BTC halving cycle. And I don't know how many days are there, but we are getting closer. So it's expected that we run up to what is, I would believe, around 40K ahead of that halving cycle, which is the fair value for BTC expected by miners. Looking at this weekly, we've got a weekly closure today, Sunday, the 30th of July. And as I said, look, a weekly closure confirmed here below 29.5. So this is confirming my short position. And so I'm going to look to keep this short going. I may potentially look at evaluating the position around the 28.5K level. So I'll have a first take profit here and a secondary. And this will really depend on how much volume I see in those candles during the week. So possible first TP1 at around 28.5K, but main target is this 27.8K level. And from there, we flip back long and look to really fill in those gaps. I'm still eyeing up this level here at the 34.2K level and just touching base. There is also another CME gap on that level. So really key to see what happens around here. We've got an equal high from our previous on the weekly. So looking to build up strength from this 27.8K level before flipping reverse. Now, pulling into the daily, it has been very rangy, I could say. Let me just put that into perspective a bit more. And you can see that range there clear as day. And you can see my positions as well that we flipped. But yeah, we broke through this daily range last week, not with not much volume, but we broke down from it for quite a while. We were hovering between the sort of 31.5K level and the 29.5K level. So we've got a rising, low volume rising wedge towards this 29.5K level, where we'll see this price rejection here today based off daily and weekly close, and we'll have that further downside. Whatever happens on 12 a.m. Tuesday will just add further bias in the downward direction. Looking into the 4-hour, and I'll see my short position there. You can actually see my long. So as I said, here's the long position that I had. Nice 2% position with 20x leverage. I think I closed just shy of 40%. Didn't manage to claim on this wick that touched the 200 MA, sorry, 50 MA. But clean flip, we are still moving in this. My position currently is in profit. Not sure how much based off of this, but as I said, look, I'm targeting a big position here based off of this 5. Yeah, so I think I'll have to double check it, but I think I entered with 20x leverage on this, so I am expecting over 2x off of this position. So BTC looking very healthy, low volume expected through summer. In terms of BTC fundamentals, nothing too heavy going on, not much FUD in the market. I would say there's more adoption in the market from a crypto perspective. Fed now is released. I don't think we did a show after the XRP case was settled, but things are looking very bullish from that perspective. More sovereigns, I think, have come out since we last did a call saying that they hold BTC. I believe it was Bulgaria that actually holds more than the US government. The US government have also confirmed that they'd be further selling down the BTC that they seized from the Silk Road scandals. So not too much happening. Very easy markets to trade. Republicans have issued a bill in for protecting custodianship of crypto assets and our right to own them and maintain our custodianship over our crypto assets. That would be very good to see. It'll be a move in the right direction from the US government. And I think presidents are using Bitcoin, using crypto in the run up to these elections as a leverage point to win over younger voters, possibly higher GDP voters with some more skill. So the US has a lot to catch up. The Eastern markets are definitely further ahead in the adoption. Not even Eastern markets, I think we could just call them developing countries are adopting it. And that just really proves the use case for crypto assets in terms of banking the unbanked. So I think we're only going to see further growth. I think the emerging and developing world are serving as that proof of concept. And that sums up BTC. As I said, we are shorting. We're short from 29.5K level, and we're targeting 27.8K level. And initial possible TP at around 28.5 to 28.8K. Based on volume, we'll make a decision whether we close out there or we further touch. But just touch base on the monthly here again. I am really looking for more organic structure here. So that 27.8K is a very crucial retest and a bounce for us to take on. So yeah, that's BTC. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps. And if anyone has any contradictory positions or points, maybe there's no bull cycle, let us know in the comments below and we'll shoot you down. Thanks very much, guys.